So, I'm a Marcos supporter. I'm Jovelyn Santos Bagos. So, makikita nyo, dito lang ako sa Bagos compound. So, lalabas pa lang ako. For you to know na dito ako, live here, Bagos compound, Caloocan City. When you see Ambassador General City, Caloocan, you will just go there. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo na nasa Bagos compound ako. Hindi ako lumalabas ng kahit ano. Just right here in Bagos compound, Caloocan City. When you see Ambassador General City, Caloocan. So, my motorbike, as you can see, my motorbike, and then, nandito ko yung gamit. 826 NCL. So, when you see Ambassador. So, I live here at Barangay 22, Zone 2, Caloocan City. When you see Ambassador General City, Caloocan, you will just go down in front of the J-Box Park. So, big. Yan, makita nyo, dito lang sa Bagos compound, Caloocan City. When you see Ambassador General City, Caloocan, you will just go down front of the J-Box Park. So, big window Bagos compound. So, makikita nyo sa Bagos compound. You see, Bagos compound, Caloocan City. So, yun. I'm a Marcos supporter. Kasi wala akong live. Pag in-upload ko to, katulad pa rin yung dati. Yung pag-upload ko, nakita nyo, nandito lang ko sa Bagos compound. Walang ibang street. So, wala. Bagos compound, Caloocan City lang. Nakita nyo. Hindi ako so, yon. My IG name, Bagos 10781. First start and big, the rest small letters. And IG username, all small letters. Bagos 10781. All small letters. 44 followers IG ko. And then my password, Jovelyn Santos Bagos 10781. First start and big, the rest small letters. IG name, first start and big, the rest small letters. IG username, all small letters. IG FB, Jovelyn Santos Bagos. FB ko, Jovelyn, space Santos, space Bagos. First start and big, the rest mo letter siya. Pero yung password ko sa IG, Jovelyn Santos Bagos 10781. First start and big, the rest mo letters. 44 following sa IG ko. So, i-upload ko na itong para alam niyo. Then yan, i-upload ko na itong first video ko. From to give honor and glory to our Father, Jesus Christ, to the Spirit, to glorify His name. Lagi kong binibigyan ng live. Lagi akong nagbibigyan ng live. So, I want to make the list over. So, then. So, I'm Marcos supporter. So, I'm a Marcos supporter. So, I'm Jovelyn Santos Bagos. So, I'm 5'9". Even I'm a boy, to a woman. have male organ that can erect. So, yun. So, nandito ako sa Bagos Compound, Caloocan City. When you see Ambassador Funeral City, Caloocan, you just go down right to Bagos Parish. We're building Bagos Compound. So, wala akong live sa IG. Wala akong live sa FB. I don't have a WhatsApp. I don't have a Twitch. I don't have a Viber. I don't have a TikTok. That's why I'm having a hard time making live. Tapos yung 0995 ko pa, 067-7083, na Globe prepaid ko is, pag in-insert ko sa SIM na signal, papakita ko sa inyo. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So, nakita nyo na dito. Ayan. So, yun. Nakita nyo na. So, nakita nyo na. So, I'm not interested then naman. My only color is color blue. My birthday is October 7, 1981. Ready for 44 years old. I'm Joblin Santos Bagos. I'm 5 and height. Voice to phone, mag-mail, organ that can erect. So, mag-upload na akong video. Kada upload. Not interested then naman. It's time for me to give glory and honor to our Abba Father, Jesus Christ, Holy Spirit, to glorify His name, not His name, and that to glorify His name and not our name. So His name should be glorified, Abba Father, because this is the day that He was born. God created the heavens and earth. Abba Father, Colgate Bidet.